want me to come back and play, but are you having a really good trip? Maybe Angel might want to say hi. Hey. You say hi? There's a cat right there.
T-Van, say hi.
Hey, look.
Hi!
Look, there's a cat.
Say,
Yeah, there's a bag.
See? Circle.
okay, guys. Say see you soon.
Bye. Bye.
Say see you soon. Come play soccer.
I say this right all again. Yeah.
Now, don't
Taking your time, Dad.